Hello, today we will guide you through how to reset CapCut layout settings to default. If your CapCut workspace looks different than usual, or panels have been moved around, and you want to get everything back to the original arrangement, this is a quick and simple fix. Resetting the layout can be especially helpful if your editing window feels cluttered, or if a tool panel is no longer where you expect it to be. In this walkthrough, we'll show you exactly where to go to restore the default layout. To begin, open the CapCut app on your device. Make sure the application is fully loaded so you can clearly see the editing interface. Once CapCut is open, take a moment to look across the top area of the screen. This is where many general workspace and view options are usually located. Next, look toward the top right corner of the screen for a drop-down menu. Depending on your version of CapCut and the size of your window, this option may appear as a small menu or a compact control near the upper right side. If you don't notice it immediately, scan that corner carefully before moving on. Once you've found the drop-down, click on it to open the available options. This menu contains layout-related controls, including the one needed to return the interface to its default arrangement. Opening this menu is the key step that gives you access to the Reset feature. After the menu appears, click on Reset Current Layout. As soon as you select this option, CapCut will restore the current workspace layout back to its default view. This means any panels you moved, resized, or closed should return to their original positions. After the reset is complete, it's a good idea to quickly look over your workspace to confirm everything is back where you expect it to be. You should now see the standard layout, making it easier to continue editing without distractions or missing panels. That's all it takes to reset your CapCut layout settings to default. This is a useful option to remember anytime your workspace feels disorganized or unfamiliar. Thanks for following along, and you're now ready to get back to editing with a clean and familiar CapCut setup.